Hello YouTube, this is Christian Ramos, your Georgetown Realtor. Today we are in the Santa Rita Ranch community and we will be touring a move-in ready home by Coventry priced at $699,000. This is the Wichita floor plan, which is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath with a 3-car tandem garage. This is a larger home at 3,498 square feet. Some of my favorite features are the high ceilings in the living areas and the modern and dark colored finishes and luxurious touches. As you walk in to the left, you have an office and a grand entrance, followed by a formal dining area, and then your living room. Out of all the homes I've toured so far in the Santa Rita Ranch community, this one is my absolute favorite. You can feel every inch of the 3,498 square feet as you walk around because of the high ceilings and abundance of light through the windows. The builder had this house expertly staged, which makes it feel like home already. As you walk into the primary bedroom on the first floor, you can feel the privacy and luxury in every corner. This room can easily fit a king-size bedroom set with room to spare. As you walk into the bathroom, you can't help but feel like you're staying at a luxury hotel. The double vanity, soaking tub, and stand-up shower with marble all the way around is absolutely stunning. The walk-in closet is big enough for 2 and makes you feel like it's time for you to go shopping for more clothes. Since there is no neighbors behind you, the view out of every window is peaceful and makes you feel like you're in a Texas paradise with nature behind you. As someone who loves to cook, don't even get me started on the kitchen. The gunmetal cabinets and white countertops are absolutely beautiful. There is a gas stove with a stainless steel range hood and a built-in oven and microwave. Even this built-in nook and pantry feel over the top. You also have access to your dining room from this area, which is super special as well. As I said before, this has been one of my favorite homes in Santa Rita Ranch, and the more I walk around, the more I feel like this is the one. This office is spectacular. Before we go upstairs, I'm going to show you one more bedroom and bathroom on the first floor, and I'll also show you the laundry room and access to the garage. Hard to say, but the upstairs might be the best part of the house. As you walk up, you get this loft or game room area, which can easily fit a pool table, or an additional entertaining area with a sectional TV, computer setup, or media room. You even get this overlook back to the first floor where the front door is, so you can welcome guests or family members when they arrive at home. These 2 bedrooms upstairs can easily fit a queen-size bedroom set and are connected by this extraordinary Jack and Jill bath, which is also luxurious and has matching finishes as the rest of the house. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll be showcasing some of the amenities offered here in the Santa Rita Ranch community. If you're enjoying this home tour and have been thinking about moving to Austin or Georgetown, Texas, reach out through the link in my bio and I'd be happy to send you more details. Also, please like, subscribe, and share to continue seeing more content and home tours like this in the future. One of the key features in this home is this 12-foot sliding door that opens all the way up to your covered patio in the backyard. This home also backs up to a greenbelt, which gives you beautiful views of nature and a peaceful view. Coventry homes in the Santa Rita Ranch community are built in 60-foot lots, so as you can see, you get this great sized backyard. Perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. As promised, I wanted to showcase the amenities in this community that make it such a desirable neighborhood. You're not just buying a home, you're buying family fun, proximity to activities and schools, and you will always have something to do not very far from your home. Check out one of the 4 swimming pools here in the community. They even have their own dedicated playground, pickleball courts, and miles of walking trails. Here you can see the elementary school right at the entrance of the community. This is Georgetown ISD, and it even matches the aesthetic of the houses. You will also see the middle school is directly across the street, so you won't have to go far at all. Everything is a stone throw from this neighborhood. Less than 5 minutes from the community is an H-E-B shopping center with restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to move to Georgetown, Texas, or would like to schedule a tour for any of the homes in the Santa Rita Ranch community, send me a DM or email.